Hey there, welcome back to Shop Smart, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest tech and gadgets to help you make smarter buying decisions. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. We dive deep into products like this to save you time and money, and subscribing means you'll never miss out on our straightforward breakdowns. Today we're tackling the VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam review. Is it good? Is it worth it? If you're thinking about upgrading your car's security setup, stick around because we're breaking it all down. And hey, the link to check it out is right in the description below. Let's jump in. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway and suddenly something unexpected happens. A close call, maybe even an accident. That's where a reliable dashcam comes in, capturing every detail to protect you. The VIOFO A329S steps up as a 3-channel powerhouse, designed to cover your front, inside, and rear all at once. Starting with the basics, this dashcam records in stunning 4K at 30 frames per second on the front camera, giving you crystal clear footage that's sharp enough to read license plates or spot details in tricky situations. The interior camera uses a 2K fisheye lens with a wide 210-degree view, perfect for monitoring the cabin, think rideshare drivers or families wanting that extra peace of mind. And the rear camera, also 2K resolution, ensuring nothing behind you goes unnoticed. What really sets this apart are the Sony STARVIS 2 sensors across all channels. These aren't your average sensors, they excel in low light conditions, thanks to HDR technology that balances out shadows and highlights. So whether it's a dimly lit parking lot or a sunny road, you can expect consistent, high-quality video without the usual washouts or darkness. If you've ever dealt with grainy night footage from cheaper cams, this is a game changer. And speaking of parking, the A329S has a power-saving parking mode that's hybrid, meaning it can detect impacts or motion efficiently without draining your battery too quickly. It's built for real-world use, folks. Now, connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi 6, which means faster app control for viewing, downloading, or tweaking settings right from your phone. No more fumbling with cables, just quick, reliable access. Storage-wise, it's future-proof. It supports up to 4 terabytes SSD storage, or you can go with high-capacity MicroSD cards. Plus, features like Multiplexing allow for simultaneous recording across channels, so you're not missing a beat. Reviews from users and experts highlight its versatility and video quality, even calling it one of the best dash cams heading into 2025. If that sounds like something you've been searching for, give this video a like. It helps us keep bringing you these detailed reviews. But let's get to the heart of it. Is it good? Absolutely. Based on what we've seen from specs and user feedback, the VIOFO A329S delivers premium performance in a compact package. You can expect reliable high-res footage that holds up in various conditions with thoughtful features like those STARVIS sensors making it stand out from mid-range options. It's not perfect for everyone. If you're on a tight budget, starting prices around $309 for basic versions might feel steep, but for the quality, it's solid. And is it worth it? If you're serious about comprehensive coverage, front, cabin, and rear, and want something that handles low light and storage like a pro, yes, it's worth considering. It's versatile for daily drivers, Uber folks, or anyone prioritizing safety. Just know what to expect. Great video clarity, but setup might require some tech savvy, and it's more about functionality than flashy extras. No illusions here. It's a tool to protect you, not a gadget with bells and whistles. Before we wrap up, if this review helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe to Shop Smart for more honest takes on products that matter. Your support keeps us going. And if you're ready to grab the VIOFO A329S, the affiliate link is in the description. Buying through it doesn't cost you extra, but it really helps support our work here on YouTube, allowing us to test and review more gear for you. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.